Hello, fourth grade. Today is Friday. Yay, it's Friday. And for Friday today, we are going to be finding common factors. So for math, if you can pull out your math page, page 101 and 102, we are going to begin, all right? So for our last math class, until we come back on the 30th, we are looking at finding common factors. We've been working on finding factors of a number, so now we're going to work on finding common factors. So a common factor is a factor that belongs to two or more numbers. So when we find the pairs of factors, for 12, we have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. And so we know our factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Those are the factors for 12. Now, then they ask us to do 18. For 18, it's 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. So if we write the factors in order, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now for this for these two numbers, we're going to find factors that are the same. So they both have 1 factors, they both have 2 factors, they both have 3 factors. Does 12 and 18 have a factor of 4? No, but they both have factor of 6. And then 12 and 18, 9, no. So the common factors between 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, pretty simple. You already know how to find the pairs of factors. You already know how to find factors. Now we're just going to line them up side by side and match the numbers together to find the common factors between the set of numbers, okay? They did it with 3 groups of numbers here for 12, 18, and 24. So they both share 1. They both share 2. They both share 3. But look, 12 and 24 share 4, but 18 does not. So we can't use the 4. All 3 of them must share the same and common factor, but 6 is across the board for all 3 of them. 12, you see 24 and 12 both have 12, but because 18 does not have 12 as a factor, we cannot use it as a common factor, okay? Let's work on it together down at the class practice. So let's put the pair of factors for 8. They have 1 times 8. What's the other factor, the pair of factors for 8? 2 times 4. Very good. 2 times 4. So let's write the factors for 8. We have 1, 2, 4, 8. Let's do 12 together. They gave us 12 up here already, so we could, if you needed help, you could use that. So they did 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Let's write the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Let's write the common factors for these two numbers. So we see 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 4 and 3, 4 and 4, 4 and 4. Now those 3 numbers are the common factors between 8 and 12. I want you to pause the video and do B on your own and then press play, and we'll come back and we'll do number 2. Very good. So now we are going to write any 2 factors for each number. So remember, factors are up here. If we were looking for factors for each of these numbers, we know that we could do 1 times 24. What else equals 24? 2 times 12. 2 times 12 equals 24. So what if we do 2 and 12? What about 32? What times what equals 32? Well, I could look at it as 2 and 16. Because if I divided 2 into 3 is 1, and then you have dropped the 1, and then 2, so you have 12 left, so 2 times 6 equals 12. So we know 2 and 16 are 2 factors of 32, okay? You're going to do your own factors for B, E, C, and F on your own, okay? So instead of doing this whole multiplication, you are just going to write any 2 factors. So it could be 1 and 15, 3 and 5, 2 and 3, 1 and 9, okay? If you need to, you could look at your factor chart from the other day to help you answer these, but you're just going to be writing numbers like Mrs. Morter did, all right? So pause the video, do those 4, and then when you're done, let's come back and we will do the back of the page. All right, so let's look at the back of the page. It is pretty easy. You're going to divide and check, but you don't have to do B because it's green. So you're going to divide and check. You're going to follow the signs, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Going to average. You don't have to do C for averaging. You'll just add these together. And then remember, you're going to divide by the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to divide whatever this answer is by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I was right. Okay, and then you're going to do the same here. You're going to add these together. And then you're going to divide it by 3. Now this is a dollar and dollar sign, so make sure you put the dollar sign and the decimal point. And then you're going to solve this measurement equation, and you see 3 years plus 6 months equals how many months? So you're going to have to convert the 3 years into months. You don't have to do B because it's green. And then you're going to do true and false for the homework for 7, and then you're going to write the factors for 8. You can use your factoring charts to help you, okay? That's all you have for math. And then when we come back, it'll be after Thanksgiving, and I'm super excited to see you guys then. Have a great day.